What's up everyone, CPS blog is here and today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and the error is CE-110032-7 PSN online ID information does not match. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side and here we are at the screen and you must check your PSN account details. Here you switch user and add a user. You just go to the sign in and sign in manually. Here you just put your email address and a password about the PSN account and then you get some errors, some kind of. So you must check your user and account first. Here you're signed in or not. Our login settings, your PS5 console is logged in or not. And sometimes you have a problem with the network and you're putting the same and the correct information, but because of internet you get this problem. Your does not match or not working or fails or some kind of you just test the servers. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem, so you must fix your local internet problem. If the server is working not working, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. Then you just do it, sign in your account. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.